Today we are going to discuss the Lead Botanical Garden. Last time we have seen Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanical Garden, which was the largest and oldest in the world and in the India. Such a type of the botanical garden in the western sides of the India, in the western Ghats, in Maharashtra, is one of the most important botanical garden. This garden is situated in Kolhapur, in the Shivaji University, and it is established by the Department of Botany, Ministry of Forest, Environment and Forest, MOEF, Ministry of Environment and Forestry, funded to the botanical garden to the establish in the 1996. Later on, the work was undertaken. During the 2005, the work was progressive, and during the 2007, the entire botanical garden was established under the leadership of the Professor Dr. S.R. Yadav. In this aim to botanical garden, that is the Lead Botanical Garden, that is the endangered plants, endemic plants, ex situ conservation. Means these are the plants which are endangered, rare plants. They are conserved. Local plants are not conserved here. The plants which are going to be rare, going to be invalid, these plants are cultivated, important here. It has the nursery also. Therefore, this garden, they have 1100 species of the higher plants. They are cultivated and they are conserved. This botanical garden having different sectors, means having the different patches of the cultivation of the plants. The patches consist or sectors consist that it is the fernary, pinnatum, aquatic, medicinal, palmatum, orchidarium, cornevarus, rhizomatous, tuberous, bulbous, mangrove plants, insectivorous plants, nursery of rare, endemic and threatened species. It is in short it is known as RET, climbers and Nelumber auditorium. Here the fernary. Actually, this fernary was established during the 2005. The project undertaken to the Environment Ministry, and during this 60 different ferns from these pterophytic plants, they are conserved. Rare, endangered 11 species of the fernary is collected. There is a germoplasm, saline is there during the 2005. It has the pinnatum. Different 22 species of pinus tree. That is the pine tree. That is from the gymnosperm. Different plants. Ginkgo biloba, Pinus, Cycas, Yucca. Means these plants, these are cultivated in a separate patch. Some area is conserved for these aquatic plants. The plants which grow in water, they are the aquatic. In the aquatic, the lily plants, that is Victoria Amazonia, largest aquatic lily throughout the world, which is cultivated in Sir J.C. Bose Indian Botanical Garden. This species also is cultivated in there. Different types of the lotus, different types of the Nilombo species are cultivated in the as a aquatic plants. There are about 75 species which having the medicinal use. They are also cultivated, they are in the concept. Then it has the palmatorium, means palm. Different palm plants are also cultivated. These palm plants are generally, these are the ornamental plants which are cultivated in the garden. That is a bottle palm, that is a fan palm, areca palm. Such a type of these palms are cultivated in this palmatorium. Again, it has the one patch unit which having the sector, that is orchidaria. Orchids, they are the epiphytic plant bodies. They grow on above the tree trunks of the other plants. Different 80 species of the orchids from the Western Ghats, they are cultivated and they are conserved constantly. Orchids, the flowers are large, showy, lasted for many days. Therefore, in a foreign country, it has the very much demands. Therefore, here different 80 orchids species are also cultivated. It has rhizomatous, bulbous and tuberous nursery also. The plants which are the underground plants, they are also cultivated in this plant environment. Some mangrove plants which grow near the seashore along the Ussuri. Different 35 species of the mangroves are cultivated. It has some insectivorous plants, Triticon, Cotomogeton. These plants are also cultivated in this area. Also, it has some climber places also cultivated in this area. It has the large nursery which consists of the seeds, collections, propagules, plantlets. These plants are sold from this nursery every year. This nursery consists of the rare, endemic and threatened species are also cultivated. And this garden, botanical garden, having the auditorium. The name of the auditorium is Nilambari Auditorium. In this Nilambari Auditorium, special occasions, special functions, welcome functions, seminar functions, workshops, means the lead workshops which are taken in this, conducted in this auditorium. This is about the lead botanical garden at Shivaji University, Kolhapur.